Electronics is more than just wires and circuits. It is the silent engine of our modern civilization. But how did we get from observing lightning in the sky to processing billions of data points in a split second? Today we explore the epic evolution of electronics, from discovery to the modern era. Our journey begins in the 18th century. Benjamin Franklin's pioneering experiments with electricity laid the scientific foundations. This led Alessandro Volta to a monumental breakthrough in 1800, the invention of the Voltaic Pile. As the world's first chemical battery, it provided a steady flow of current, changing electricity into a controllable tool. The 19th century witnessed the true birth of the electric age. Thomas Edison didn't just invent the incandescent light bulb, he built the infrastructure to light up our world. Meanwhile, the visionary Nikola Tesla developed alternating current, or AC systems. His innovation allowed power to be transmitted over vast distances, creating the global energy grid we use today. In the 20th century, the revolution turned inward. It began with vacuum tubes, enabling the first signal amplification and control. However, the ultimate turning point arrived in the 1940s with the invention of the transistor. Smaller, faster, and incredibly efficient, the transistor became the fundamental DNA of every modern computer. Today, we live in the era of integrated circuits. We have mastered the art of miniaturization, packing millions of transistors onto a single silicon chip. This paved the way for personal computing, nano-electronics, and the Internet of Things. As we look ahead, artificial intelligence is redefining what's possible. From a simple spark to intelligent machines, the journey of electronics is far from over. Thank you for watching, and stay curious for the next chapter of human innovation.